Welcome, dear student, on Educare Nation. Education, determination, unification, competition, ambition together leads to radiant and elegant life. Along with this, I'm going to make you familiar with language English. Yes, English. As you know, English is a universal language. Okay. So, in today's modern era, it is very important to talk in English, to know, read, and write English. Because day to day life, you have to interact with different kind of peoples from different part of country. Even you can get an opportunity to meet foreigners. Then this English will be very helpful to you. Students who are preparing for civil services examination, UPSC, state PCS, for them too, English is very important. Of course, there is a language you have to choose. Some students are preparing their examination in English, some are preparing in Hindi. That is okay. But when you will face challenges, being an officer, being a civil servant, you have to interact with the peoples of all India because UPSC is a national level examination. You are representing your country, so you must know to speak to English. Okay, so there is no need of hesitation because English is not as tough as Tamil, Telugu. It is very easy. And of course, practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Remember it. So, without wasting the time, today just starting with a basic level. Okay? Just starting with basic level, that is vowels and consonants. Yes, here you can see A to Z. These are 26 letter of alphabet. These A, B, C, D, you will be laughing while saying this. No need to laugh. Just remember your childhood days, how happy we were. In first stage of our studies, our parents, father, mother taught us A, B, C, D. Of course, that is English. These letters are from English. So, English is easy. You can see here that there are 26 alphabets. In that, there are few letters are vowels and rest others are consonant. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest others letters are consonant. Okay. Now, what's our consonant and what's our vowels? Let's see. Vowels have free air stream and makes mouth open while speaking. There is no air interruption like A, E, I, O, U. Try to speak these letters. You will feel free to speak A, free to speak O. But in consonant, there are air blockage in mouth while speaking like B, D, F, G, K. Try to speak this. You will feel blockage on your mouth. Then, other than vowels, all letters are consonant. But there is a mystery in Y. What is the mystery? Semi-vowels. Y letter is a semi-vowel. This is a special type of letter which is used as vowels and consonant both according to the way of using it. For example, Y. It sounds like I vowel. Y, I. U. There feels air blockage. So here it's called consonant. Y, I, vowel. U, air blockage, it's consonant. That's easy. Now read these words. Ant, egg, uncle, ink, cat, mat, door, car, people. Now see. Ant, A is a vowel. Egg, E is a vowel. Uncle, U, E. Ink, I, N. Cat, A. Mat, A. Door, O. Car, A. People, O, E. You can see that in all the above words there are vowels. Some words are pronounced as uncle, door. In these there are two vowels, U, E. In door you can see O. So in any word there may be one vowel or more than one vowels. I am giving you one homework. Just you find out that a word which does not carry any vowels. All words in English has a vowel. You have to find out, is there any word which carry no vowels in that? Okay, so English is a universal language. It is easy, and just remember, practice makes a man perfect. Stay safe. All the best. Goodbye. Take care.